Hi folks, and welcome to Dazzle Rebel Rides. Today I'm just out on a bit of a jolly. Little late winter ride just before the spring kicks in. No idea where I am right now, no idea where I'm going. And that's the beauty of just going out and getting lost and having a sat nav as a safety net to find your way home. Yes, think it might go down this way. See, what I'm really looking for, folks, is somewhere where I can find a nice quiet road where I can set up a camera and ride backwards and forwards without any fear of someone coming along and thieving it. So really today I'm out for a bit of a scout as well as you know, a bit of a wander. If I find somewhere that I like, what I'm going to do is try and find myself and on my sat nav and my phone as a backup and save this location so I can find it again. Now I know I could scout around on Google Maps and try and do the same thing, but where's the fun in that? Now if I go past the road that looks like it's going somewhere pretty exciting, I think I'm going to turn around and head down it. To be honest, it's all starting to get a bit too built up at the minute. So I'm used to that, but here we go. Bugger. I'm in civilization. Need to try and get away from it. And I fall into this bloody trap every time, and no matter where I go I end up in bloody New Abbey, and I came here last year, hello, on the Indian, and it is a great place to hello, to have a bit of a wander, but I've been here time and time again, so I don't want to go back here. Right, New Abbey's that way. Euston Abbey's that way, so let's go this way. Chapel Lane. That looks like it might go somewhere nice, but so does this. And that. Right, this looks a bit rough, but when it's dry in the summer, maybe ugh. What do you think? Solid back there. Let's turn this off. Right, so we could park on this bit here, look, this nice and a bit more tarmac down here. It's rough as f***. Won't be as much of a problem on the Indian because it just glides over bumps like this. But set up a camera down that road, come past, even on this bend, got a turning just down there, somewhere on the other side of the road. Oh, I like this. This could be interesting. Even for taking photos. If this was a bit quieter earlier in the morning, for example. It's a fucking fast road. That's the only problem. It's a 60-mile-an-hour road, and I think some of these are doing a bit more than 60, so you can't exactly get out in the middle of the road and take a photo. Got to bend out. I like this. This is looking good. As long as there's a place to turn down there, I'll have to go and check that out. Let's save this location anyway. I'll tell you something that never fails to surprise me in the UK. Well, it's not in the UK, but in most of England, central UK at least. You know, around the central core. No matter how far out you think you are in the wilderness, just around the corner is civilization. So it is really quite difficult to get lost, truly lost, so that you wander around for days and days hoping someone comes past because you got no water, you got no food. Right, I'm going to stop it here just for a minute. I don't normally have issues with my helmet camera, my Drift Ghost SHD, but for some reason it failed just before I made a bit of a splash. So from here on in, there's no audio. So instead, here's some dramatic music. Now, it has to be said that I recovered quite well from this soaking ordeal, but it did transform me to being a super comedian. Unfortunately, none of the funny, witty little bantery bits that would put Shade Tree Surgeon and the Crumble to shame were included because my audio failed, for fuck's sake.